Hey guys, in this lesson we will learn how to text to speech in Xcode Shift application. Now you can see these are available language options that you can text to speech in Shift. Arabic, Chinese, there are many more. I will include these in video description, and the thing is these are the language codes that you have to put in the program. Each and every time whatever language you want to text to speech, then you have to specify these language codes. Let's go ahead and start it. I will go ahead and create a new Xcode project for this. Here I will say create a new Xcode project and app, product name as text to speech. I will keep my organization identifier as it is, interface as storyboard, and language as shift. Right, you have to make sure you are selecting these two. Now I will go ahead and create my project. You can select where you want to save that project is. Alright, firstly let me go ahead and put some button here to allow to text to speech. Let's say speech now, like that. Now I will add some constraints to this as top 80 and left 12, right 12. Okay, I will connect this button with the view controller now by clicking this button and go to assistant. It will show us the view controller. Now I will press Ctrl and drag this inside of this class, and I will select action as the connection, type as UI button, name as I will say button speech. Alright, that's fine. Now you can actually add some edit text, or text field, UI text field, and user can enter some text there and you can receive that text into a variable. Then you can go ahead and speech now, but we don't want to do that. We are randomly pick some text. Now first thing that we have to do is in the button we have to create a variable. This is a immutable variable because we are using let here, and let's say the variable name as tolerance, and I will set this equals to. Now we have to import this. To import this, above I will say import av kit. Now we have to say av speech utterance. Inside this we have to pass in the text or string that we want to text to speech. You have to put parenthesis, parameter type as string, and here we have to say what is the text is. Now I will search Google and find some let's say German thing. For that I will open my browser and go to translate. I will say hello, have a nice day, like that. Okay, whatever. Now we have to select German here. Now I will copy this and paste that here. Right, the second thing that we have to do is we have to say utterance, and we have to define the rate of the speech. We can say that equals to something like 0.52. Actually this like the speed of the speaking, like that. Also in the top, don't do this below, otherwise you will end up with the error if you are testing this application in a simulator which installed with iOS 16 and next versions. For that I will create this variable in the top, don't do it the below, otherwise don't do it in the function that you are going to speak that text. Do this here. Let synthesizer, and I will set this equals to AV speech synthesizer, right? Now below we have to say synthesizer to speak this utterance. We have to pass in utterance here. Also we have to set a voice type and the language for this utterance. Here I will say above this synthesizer speak, I will say utterance dot voice is equals to AV speech synthesize voice, and then parentheses. Now you can use the description words available there, and you will find language code that you want. I will copy this code for German and paste that here. To paste that, we have to say the parameter type as language. Inside double quotations we can pass in this language code. Now let's go ahead and run this out.
Hallo, schönen Tag noch, ich habe es verpasst.
Alright, now we can go ahead and try another language. Let's go for something like Hindi. Actually I don't know these languages Hindi, but I will copy this and paste that inside of this AV speech utterance string, and I will set this language code into Hindi. You can refer these words and paste that here.
हेलो, आपका दिन शुभ हो, मैंने इसे याद किया.
Alright, I hope you clearly understand how to do this. Also there are options to set volume of this utterance, like you can use 0 point. The higher volume will be 0.99 upwards, and the lower volume will be 0.1, like that. Let's go ahead and try.
हेलो,
You
आपका
can
दिन
see
शुभ हो, मैंने इसे याद किया.
it is very lower volume. If we try 0.9,
हेलो, आपका दिन शुभ हो, मैंने इसे याद किया.
alright, this is it for this lecture, and I'll see you in the next lecture.